fucking sights way off.
What are all those?
Grenade.
You just whack them around that and then you pull them?
Just the tism took over and I started picking up and collecting them. 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Oh. Thank you. In that doorway is to the right hand side. So as you look through the window. Yeah, I think he got you, but I don't know. Hit. Nice shot, nice shot.
Who shot you with that?
Shoot him back.
Shoot him back?
I reckon these boys will probably clear it in the first 30 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh! You just shoot me in the f***ing head? No. Yes, you fucking did. I'm dead.
Why do we falter? So that we can learn to pick ourselves up.
Guy in the boot. The guy in the boots, Darren. No, I know that was you and me, but that was a good shot. I think that was more you, to be honest.
Definitely got him in the hand and something else definitely went past him.
He didn't realise there was like 5 people peeking it. Sorry, bud. Straight ahead, straight ahead. By the tyres. Just watch your head if you come up. Hey, there he is. Two down the left, two down the left.
One in the window in the centre there as well.
Yellow. Watch the right, watch the right. Hey! Jump! Jump!
Go!
Ooh. Do you want to go with it?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
There's a full mag there. Tight, it's just really tight.
Oh yeah, that side's way up. It's nice though.
Rip it, go on. Rip the mag.
Oh, that's stiff. I like it stiff.
What did he say?
He did say they was going to come out with some accessories. You can keep firing, dump the mag. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Oh, that's
Stop.
nice.
And then, obviously, you put your new mag in. You set the round count to your mags, so say it to 150. Won't fire, and then you just have to remember to...
That's nice.
These didn't fit,
You got
so I
a
just...
file back.
Yeah. He's always judging me. He's them eyes.
Don't worry about what happened. Time heals all things. Except these crazy eyes.
They're gonna get shot here, Mark. The player! Ow! F***'s sake!
you get shot there?
He watched me for a few seconds and then shot me. Go on, go, 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 go. Go low, go low, go low, go low. He's down. Left side looks clear. Oh, nope. Ah, shit.
3, 2, 1, game on!
Well then. That definitely needs something blocking that, doesn't it? That's f***ing unreal.
I mean, what's he shooting at?
That is true. Yeah, I'm trying to get these boys down at the end of the centre. Careful, careful. You see him? He's low, he's low, he's low.
He's gone now.
More there, more. High left.
Yeah, one high.
In the alleyway through the door, the side door. He's hit. Mark, the guy on the door's down.
Yeah, there's two in the triangle, one high, one low. There's also a guy here on the right somewhere as well now. Again. Yeah.
There he is. Oh no! Oh, what the f? Oh, nice shot. I threw 2 grenades, I had the guy dead to rights. I forgot to reload them. So they're dead. Because I come out that game, didn't I? I didn't reload the grenade. So. Right.
3, 2, 1!
Three, two, one. I wonder what you were counting down till then. I was going to go up and at 1.
Hello, this thing on. Hello.
That one's out of battery.
Oh, you're gonna hold it.
Oh.
Bless you, bless you. Nino.
Wee woo.
I'll do it.
What the f was that first noise?
Just came out naturally, didn't it?
I think he just disbanded. Huh?
What's that? You not like AK anymore?
So no, just light. I wasn't going to play the last game. I was like, well, the later games was like, not used to carrying a nice steel AK, mate. Fucking back's killing me.
Like, I was saying to Andy, they're really light, and he goes, yeah, thank God a gearbox in. I went, oh yeah, of course it's HC2. That 4.5 kilos, the LCT one is, it gets tiring. Oh!
Ooh, spooky.
We just lost lights in the game area.
There's one on the other side. Red, there's two behind that back barrier. There's one more to your right, to your right, to your right. Are you agile?
Not overly.
Can I get that round the corner?
He's gone.
No, there's one behind this black barricade here. That come over too high, bud. That was like that high, so I'll take it, but you know. Sorry. Oh, sorry, I was already firing. Sorry. The white boxes behind the cars.
Good headshot though.
To be honest, I'd already pulled the trigger. It was already in mid-flight.
I literally it was a green.
That would be a hit.
Well, no, he shot, mate. It deflected off the back.
No, what's it? That'd have been helpful.
Hell yeah.